Now let me have see here, I1 is in this direction and I2 is in this direction. Now let us try to understand. Okay, now the moment I1 is entering in this direction, I1 entering in this direction, then how my pi 1 is going to be? Pi 1 is going to be in this direction, right? Pi 1 is going to be in this direction, pi 1. Okay, now if you think of I2 is going in opposite direction, right? Because if you see sense the direction of the winding, okay, it is wounded like this, okay, it is wounded like this, it is wounded like this, okay. So if I2 is like this, my current is going to be like this, okay, meaning that my currents are like this, okay, my currents are like this, meaning that my flux is going to be in this direction. See here, my currents are like this, my flux is going to be in this direction. Now let us think of self and mutual. Okay, now the moment current is entering, self plus minus V11, self, right? Now if I think of mutual, blue, see here, the moment current is entering here, for example, this blue is not there, when blue is not there, when my current is entering in this direction, okay, automatically flux is in this direction. Because of that particular direction of flux, I'm going to get induced voltage here. Now let us consider existence or presence of blue. Now because of blue current, my blue flux is against to pi 1. Now net flux in first coil is going to be reduced. When net flux is reduced, automatically net induced voltage also should be reduced. Meaning that because of pi 2, whatever may be the induced voltage is being induced here, that should reduce self-induced voltage, or that particular voltage should be against to self-induced voltage, such that net induced voltage is going to be reduced. So this is going to be plus, this is going to be minus, this is going to be minus, this is V because of 2 in 1, okay. Now let us think of blue. In blue, what's happening? See, whenever my current is entering here, plus minus, this is V22 self, okay. Now because of right side direction of flux, induced voltage is like this. Now because of pi 1 existence, my net flux here is going to be reduced, so net induced voltage across the terminals has to be reduced, meaning that because of pi 1 some induced voltage will be there here, that induced voltage should be in opposite direction with respect to self, okay. It should be self is plus current entering point, so this one minus, this is V because of 1 in 2, okay. Now let us try to write down the equations. Because current is entering here I1, so entering current positive V1. Now V1, we are going to solve multiple problems. You will be confused multiple times, but it's okay, because without rupture here in the mind, we don't understand, or our subcon won't understand. Now V1 is going to minus of V1, or V1 equal to plus V11 minus V21, meaning that L1 di1 by dt minus M21 di2 by dt, okay, because of second conductor current or second coil current induced voltage here, di2 by dt. Now let us try to draw for V2, plus minus V2. Why? My current is entering here, so plus will come here. I hope it's plus here, minus here, V2, okay. Now let me write V2 equal to minus of V2 or V2 equal to plus V22 minus V12, meaning that this is going to be V22 is L2 di2 by dt self because of its own, and minus M12 d because of I1 induced voltage in 2. So di1 with respect to dt. These are going to be equations. These are going to be equations. Okay. Now let us go ahead with what do you say? Clone. Let us consider the same and let us convert this into dot convention, and with dot convention let us see how the same equations are going to be formed. Okay, let me try here. Clone. Oh, it will not come to the next page, is it? Okay, I'll erase this. Let me try it again. I don't take much time because already you got habituated for it. Okay, now let me try to convert this into dots. Okay, see here, if I show without sense of the winding, okay, see here, red I1, blue I2. Now because of self, I2 is entering here, so self is going to be plus minus V22 self, and because of self, I1 plus minus V11. Okay. Now see here, because of this flux, because see here means I1 is in this direction, so because of that pi1 is in this direction, and I2 is in this direction, because of that pi2 is in opposite direction. Okay, so means see here, whenever positive, okay, self to mutual, whenever current is entering here, plus here minus, whenever current is entering here, so this is going to be 1 1. Whenever current is entering here, this is going to be plus minus V22. Now if I consider, because of this flux, induced voltage here should be in opposite direction, plus minus. Okay, so this is going to be V because of 1 into, and because of this current it should be in opposite direction, plus minus, this is going to be V because of 2 in 1. Now how to keep dots? Only self to mutual, red we can consider, or blue we can consider. So red if I take here, means whenever here this is dot, mutual this is going to be dot, can be considered. Or in another way, self to mutual, or you can keep the dot here such that this is self and this is mutual positive. This is self positive, this is going to be mutual positive, or this is going to be self positive, mutual is going to be positive. It's okay. Okay, meaning that you can keep dots. Okay, dot on the left hand side, right hand side. So dot on the left hand side, dot on the right hand side can be taken. And let me try to represent the mutual induced voltage, and with respect to blue also same thing will come. Let us see here, whenever my current is entering into dot, this dot is going to be positive, red only, so this dot is going to be positive. Okay, that particular magnitude is going to be because of 1 into, or we may consider here. Okay, if I can, because both the things need not be considered, only one thing is enough. Now if I have, for example, if I keep the dot here, dot here. Now my blue current is entering into dot. Blue current is entering into dot. So blue is going to positive, negative. This is going to be V because of 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Okay. So if I consider both the dots, or else let us see by considering only one dot. I1 self will be like this, V11, I2 self will be like this, V22. Okay. After that, if I take red dots, only one dot. Okay. So if red dot is here, red dot is going to be here, right? Now, whenever, see here, now, whenever this current is entering into dot, this dot is going to become positive. This is going to be because of 1 in 2. Or in opposite way, means from here to here also should come, no? Whenever blue current is entering into undot, this undot is going to be positive. This is going to be because of 2 in 1. Okay. See here, whenever this current is entering into dot, this dot is going to be positive. Or whenever this current is entering into undot, this undot is going to be positive. Whenever this current is entering into undot, because this is dot, this is undot, right? So whenever this current is entering into undot is going to be positive. Undot is going to be positive. Problem solved. Okay. Now if you are a bit confused, right, under that conditions, watch it again, not a problem. Watch it again. Okay. Now we will be able to convert this into what do you say, by converting it into dependent sources also. You know that, right? It's simple. Okay, let me write. Okay, let me write. See here, this is going to be L1, this is going to be I1, this is going to be V1, this is going to be L1 minus plus M because of 2 in 1 because of 2, right? V1, where is the equation? Okay, so V1 minus V1 or V1 equal to L1 di1 by dt minus M21 di2 by dt. In that way, that's it. Now let us see, if I consider 3 coils, what will happen? Okay, after this you are going to get the confidence. Let me have red, okay, red, and after that blue, and after that yellow, now my red current I1, blue current I2, let me change yellow current I3 like this. Okay, we have to identify the direction of fluxes. Okay, see here, my current is like this, sense of the winding. So my pi 1 is in this direction, right? My pi 1 is in this direction. So it is going to be pi 1 is in this direction. And if you see blue, I2 is in this direction, in opposite direction. See, my winding, sense of the winding or direction of the winding is like this. So pi 2 should be in opposite direction. Pi 2. Now let me think of yellow. Okay, so in yellow, how my current is flowing? Current is entering from this terminal, not left side terminal. Now my current is entering like this. See, my winding is like this. So my current is entering like this. So my pi 3 will be in this direction. Pi 3 is going to be like this. Okay, now let me think of self-induced voltages. Okay, so let me draw a bit line like this. Okay, now my I1 is entering here. So plus minus V11. Okay, and here my I2 is entering here, so plus minus V22. My I3 is entering here, so plus minus V33. Okay, now if I don't have pi 2 pi 3, my pi 1 will be in this direction, because of that I got that voltage. Now because of presence of pi 2 is in opposite direction with respect to pi 1, so because of presence of pi 2, net flux is reduced, meaning that net induced voltage should be reduced, meaning that because of pi 2 induced voltage will be there here, that induced voltage should be against to self-induced voltage. So plus will come here, minus will come here, against to self-induced voltage. Just a minute, guys. Against to self-induced voltage. So this is going to be V because of 2 in 1. Okay, now let me think of yellow. Now forget about pi 2 and pi 3 combinedly. When pi 1 is in this direction, induced voltage is like this. Now let us consider pi 3. Because of pi 3 means with respect to pi 1, net magnitude of flux is reduced. So because of pi 3, induced voltage should be there here. That should be against to self-induced voltage. Okay, so here plus minus because of 3 in 1. Okay, now let us see here. Now forget about these two. Self, when pi 2 is in this direction, self is like this. Now if I consider pi 1, because of pi 1 net flux is going to be varied. So because of pi 1 net flux is varied, meaning that because of pi 1 net induced voltage across each and every coil should vary because they are mutually coupled. Okay, now when pi 2 is in this direction, induced voltage is like this. When pi 1 is opposite to pi 2, meaning that because of existence of pi 1, net flux in the coil 2 is going to be reduced. So my induced voltage because of existence of pi 1 should be against to self-induced voltage. So is this red? Yes, red. So self-induced is like this. It should be against plus minus induced voltage because of 1 in 2. Now let us think of between this and this yellow. Okay, see here, when not there, pi 2 is in this direction. Now because of pi 3 is also in the same direction. So because of pi 3, net flux is increased here. So net induced voltage should be increased here. In the sense, because of pi 3, whatever the induced voltage in second coil should aid the self-induced voltage. So it should be yellow. Self is blue. So it should be plus minus V because of 3 in 2. Now let us come back to third. Because of pi 3, voltage is like this. Because of pi 1, net flux is reduced. So because of pi 1, some induced voltage will be there in 3. That particular voltage should be against to self-induced voltage. So plus here, minus here. So this is going to be V because of 1 in 3. Now because of blue. Okay, now because of pi 3 in this direction, self is like this, and pi 2 is in the same direction. So because of existence of pi 2, net induced voltage across third coil should be increased, blah blah blah. So self is here. So this is V because of 2 in 3. Now let us write total equations. My current is entering here, so let me consider plus here, minus here, V1. Now V1, okay, or V1, see here, means if I apply KVL like this, minus of V1 or V1 equal to plus minus minus. So total V1 equal to V11 minus V21 minus V31. So that is going to be L1 di1 by dt self minus M21 d because of second in first minus M31 because of 3 in first. Okay, let me write yellow, blue. Okay, so V2 equal to my net V2, I2 is entering here, so net V2 plus minus V2 is like this. Okay, so net V2 minus of V2 or V2 equal to plus minus plus. So this is going to be V22 self minus V12 mutual plus V32, meaning that this is going to be L2 di2 by dt self L2 di2 by dt minus M12 d by dt of because of 1 into is going to be because of 1 into di1 plus M32 into d because of 3 in 2. Because of 3 in 2. Let me write last one only. Okay, last one, I3 is entering here, so let me consider V3 here. So let me go in this way, minus of V3 or V3 equal to plus V33 minus V13 plus V23. Okay, so this is going to be L3 di3 by dt minus M13 di1 by dt because of I1 plus M23 di2 because of second is going to be this. Okay, is going to be this. Right. Now let us take the same and let us try to keep the dots, and from the dots let us derive the same equations problem solved. Actually, I am unable to copy this. Let me try again. Let me try here. No, it's okay. What's a big deal? It may take a couple of minutes more. That's it. Now, red, after that blue, and after that yellow, and yellow current is like this, blue current is like this, and red current is like this. Red current is like this. Okay, now we know that this flux is in this direction, phi 1, and this current is in this direction, phi 2, and this current is in this direction, phi 3. Okay, now fatapat let us try to do, means this is, okay, so this is entering, so plus minus V11, and because of yellow opposite direction, so induced voltage should be opposite, plus minus. Okay, this is going to be V because of 2 in 1, because of yellow both are in opposite direction, so it should be against to self V31. And let me write other things also. This is because of self, plus minus V22, and because of red they are in opposite direction, so plus minus V because of 1 in 2, because of yellow both are in the same direction, so V because of 3 in 2, because of self I3 plus minus V33, and because of red both are in opposite direction, so plus minus V because of 1 in 3, and blue these are in the same direction, so it should aid self. Okay, is going to be V because of 2 in 3. Now we are supposed to keep dots. Simple. Means self mutual, now self mutual, because different what do you say, diagrams we have to use for the coupling. Okay, so from here to here to here, problem solved. And now after that let me consider blue. Okay, because between this and this is over, between this and this is over, and between this and this has to be considered. Now let me consider star, self, star, mutual. Okay, so let me draw this. Blue and yellow. Okay, so this is going to be L1 self, L2 self, L3 self. Okay, now my currents are in this direction I1. My current here is on the left side only, in this direction I2, and yellow current is in this direction. Now let us keep dots. Let us keep dots. Circle, second one circle. First one circle I1 entering, second one circle I2 leaving. So this is going to be circle, and this is going to be circle. Okay, see guys, red, 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 red. Okay, and after that, if you see triangle, red, red, this is entry point, this is exit point. Okay, so see here, this is going to be, let me use different colors here, star, star, let me use different color. Okay, anyway, this is triangle, so this is triangle, and here this is triangle, this is triangle. Now let me think of star, star, blue. Okay, star, star, star is I2 entry point, I2 entry point is star, and I3 entry point is star, right? Battery, guys. Okay, now let us see here, let us see here, if my I1 is entering, if I1 is entering into dot, I1 is entering into dot, this dot is going to be positive. Okay, so this is going to be V because of 1 into. Okay, now I1 is entering into triangle, so this triangle should be positive. Okay, so this is going to be V because of 1 in 3, because of 1 in 3. Now that is over. Now I2 is entering into, I2 is entering into star, I2 is entering into star, meaning that this star should be positive, negative. So this is going to be V, this is going to be I2 is entering into star, so this star should be positive, and this is because of V, because of 2 in 3. Got my point, right? Now let us see here. Relax, actually battery is about to die, it seems, for this recording, so within 5 minutes I have to complete. Okay, otherwise also we can do that, not a problem. Now see here, my I1 is entering into this, we kept for this triangle, we kept the dot, for this circle we kept the dot, fine. Now I2 is entering into star, blue, I2 is entering into star, so this star should be positive, problem solved. I2 is entering into undot of circle, I2 is entering into undot of circle, I2 is entering into undot of circle, so undot of circle should be positive. Okay, undot of circle should be positive with respect to this. See here guys, relax, relax. Now I2 is entering into undot of circle, so my undot of circle should be positive, so this is going to be V because of 2 in 1. Okay, so I2, 2 are over. Now let us think of I3. Okay, let us think of I3. Okay, now I3 is entering into star, I3 is entering into star, so this star should be positive. I3 is entering into star, so this star should be positive, so this is going to be V because of 3 in 2. Okay, now I3 is entering into undot of triangle, I3 is entering into undot of triangle, I3 is entering into undot of triangle, so undot of triangle is going to be positive. Okay, undot of triangle is going to be positive. undot of triangle, because I3 is entering into undot of triangle, so undot of triangle should be positive. So this is going to be V because of 3 in 1. On top of that, self, 3 mutuals we included, so we have to include the self. Okay, for self I1 is entering, so plus minus V11, I2 is entering plus minus V22, and I3 is entering plus minus V33. Now we can write down the same equations, right? So means by this we came to know that how to convert this into dots, from the dots how to write equations. Okay, means one equation I'll try to write. V1 equal to V11 minus V21 minus V31. So L1 di1 by dt minus M21 di2 by dt because of second, minus M31 di3 by dt. Same equations can be developed or not? Yes. Okay. In the next session, we'll continue the remaining portion.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.